This room tour today is the Serenity Club Junior Suite Swim Out Oceanfront. It's room 8009. And when you first walk in, you'll notice a butler box, so you can have complete privacy if you want room service delivered, or if you order anything else like extra hangers or towels, they can put it right in the box for you. Right by the door, there are do not disturb buttons. So just make sure that you don't have the do not disturb red on if you do want your room cleaned, because they will not come in if the button is red. Walking into the bathroom, it is a really good size. The shower is extra large. It has 2 rain showers and a regular wand. There are some toiletries provided, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. If you are picky, I would bring your own. There are double sinks, and then there's some more toiletries provided, lotion, toothbrushes, things like that. Again, if you're picky, bring your own. They do have a blow dryer. It works really, really well. What you don't see is there's a separate toilet room right in here, but I did throw a picture in at the end of this video. But I love that the bathroom is totally private. There are tons and tons of storage space in here. The closet has robes and slippers, also an umbrella if it happens to be raining when you're there, so don't worry about bringing that. And if you need extra hangers, just call and ask for them. No need to bring extras from home. The second closet has a safe, a steamer, extra blankets, tons of drawers, and I just thought that this room had so much storage. Overall, it was just like a really good size room. And then there are snacks provided, and those are going to be refreshed daily. Same with whatever is in the minibar. Those things are refreshed daily. If you want something extra, you can leave a note and a few dollars. And it is good to note that if you're going to tip, the person who cleans your room and the person who stocks your minibar are 2 separate people. So it'd be 2 separate tips. Since we're Serenity Club, we did get some liquor, so we picked out rum and tequila. There was a tequila already in there, so we had an extra. We had a king-size bed here that was very, very comfortable, a nice TV, and then a sitting area, good for room service. I thought that chocolate with the Haven on it was so cute. But overall, it was just a really good size room. I thought there was tons and tons of space. And the best part of the room, of course, is going outside to the beautiful swim out. There was a nice table there for room service, and then 2 lounge chairs. And we lucked out when we had an end room, so we felt like we had a little extra privacy and also a little bit more space. So I really loved this room. I was happy to have drink service there still, so the servers would come over and ask if you wanted anything a couple times an hour, so that is really awesome. If you are interested in booking this room or this property and you would like to use a travel agent, I would love to help you. You can reach out to me on my website, memoriesandmojitos.com. You'll submit a quote request and we will chat from there. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'm really good about responding to things. And we do have daily vlogs that will showcase sunup to sundown, so you can see if this resort is the right resort for you.